Here's how we can use the Pro mode on POCO M8 Pro. So first of all, of course, we're gonna open the camera app and we're gonna switch to the Pro mode. Now in here we can find a bunch of different parameters. You can actually find more settings by tapping on this icon on the left side, where we can find, for example, the contrast, sharpness, and so on and so forth. But it is available only if you use the JPG format. If you want to, you can switch to the RAW format in here, which is used, for example, for better photo editing later on. But if you are wondering how to actually use these parameters or what they do, then let me elaborate. So first we have EV, which is the exposure, and this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. So you can move to the left in order to make the image darker and to the right in order to make it brighter. And this is the only parameter that is fully manual. You cannot set it to be automatic. Then we have S, which is the shutter speed, and this one decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speed allows you to let in more light, which is good for example for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Now, if you want to set it to automatic, you can tap on this A letter on the left side. And the same can be said about the rest of these parameters. ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light, so low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light condition. But if you add too much ISO, then you can add grain or noise to your photos. WB is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. If you move to the left, you will apply more bluish color temperature, and if you move to the right, you will apply more orange-ish color. And F is the focus, and it allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. The more to the left you move, the more you focus on small subjects, and if you go to the right, then of course you can allow the camera to focus on bigger objects as well. And that is pretty much it. If you're looking for more guides for POCO M8 Pro, check out my channel. Leave a like and subscribe.